Have you been making your white okra without achieving the vibrant green color and sliminess? If you're one of those, sit tight and watch till the end because I'm going to share with you the secret ingredients for achieving vibrant green color and sliminess in whatever kind of okra you use. Welcome back to my channel. So the first thing you have to do is to clean your okra thoroughly to avoid story that touch. So after cleaning the okra, you go ahead to cut it to whatever shape and form you want. You might decide to use grater, you may want to use blender, but I most times prefer using my hand like this to cut it. Why? Because I don't want to wash any grater, or I don't like the texture of the grater or blender. I don't like it too smooth. I like it just like this. You might decide to do your own smaller or bigger than this, anyhow you want it. You can see that this particular one is bad. So if it's bad like this, you cannot cut through, don't use it. It's really bad. If you watch it till this point and you have not liked this video, please just pause this video and like it and comment in the comment section. Just tell me anything sweet. So after cutting, you put some water in a pot and boil it. When it boils, you may scoop out some. If you don't want your okra to be too watery, then you can add it later. Now go in with bicarbonate of soda or baking soda. That's the secret ingredient. It makes your okra really green, like give it that color. Let me say it makes anything you're cooking, it brings out the color of whatever you're making. You can see that at the very beginning, the color has started coming out. So you can add more water if you want at this point. And let me tell you that white okra doesn't require a lot of ingredients, to be honest. This is just the way we make it in our Yoruba land. So just seasoning cube, salt, and locust beans hero. You might decide to use just locust beans and salt and skip the seasoning cube, that's fine. And if you eat seasoning cube, you can add it as well. Some people add crayfish, but I don't know about that. I don't like adding crayfish in mine, but if you want it, you can add it as well. So you can enjoy this with your stew, your goat meat stew, your meat stew, your fish stew, your any kind of stew at home, then any form of swallow. You can check my channel for swallows you can use to eat this. Thanks for watching, guys. Please do not forget to engage me in the comment section. Tell me anything sweet at all. See you in my next video. Bye.